In trading, timing is everything. Now, being too early or too late simply isn't good enough. That's where the ICT Killzones come in. They help you time the market and plan your trading day. Now, most professional traders understand that less is actually more. You don't have to sit in front of your screens 24/7 to make a living. In fact, all you need to win is a few hours of ideal trading conditions. This video will show you how to use ICT Killzones and pinpoint your best times to trade. All right, let's hunt. The ICT Killzone is a period of heightened trading volumes and market volatility. It's a time when institutional traders actively shape asset pricing. Typically, a killzone occurs in and around a major financial hub's open or its close. All right, let's take a look at the ICT Killzones. There are 4 ICT Killzones: the Asian, London, New York, and London close. Each offers a 3-hour window where trade heats up for certain assets. The best product to trade during a particular killzone will vary according to the region. For example, the Asian killzone is likely to produce trade setups in the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, or the Nikkei. A word of caution: be aware of daylight savings time. When a region institutes a seasonal time change, then the killzone hours must be adjusted accordingly. All right, let's go ahead and load up the ICT Killzones on your TradingView platform. Takes you about 5 seconds. We're going to go right up here to indicators, and we're going to run a quick search. We're going to type in ICT Kill, and what do you have there? You've got a whole list of coded ICT Killzone tools. This one from Lux Algo, the ICT Killzones Toolkit, is a pretty good one. So let's go ahead and give it a click. I recommend putting this on intraday time frames. We're using a 15-minute chart, and the reason why is so you can see each distinct killzone on your chart for any given trading session. So there it is. That takes about 5 seconds. Now we're going to go to MT5. It's going to be a little bit more involved, a little bit tougher, but we're going to get it taken care of. But right there, TradingView ICT Killzones. All right, MT5, here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and add the ICT Killzone to our MT5 platform. First thing you do is you run a simple Google search. You'll see there's a bunch of killzones available for your download. Go ahead and select one from a reputable source. Make sure you don't get a virus. This MQL5 is a pretty good one. I'm running Windows 11, and I'm also running it on Google as my browser. My download is going to be located right up in here. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to add that download, that indicator, to our MT5 platform. And how we do that is we go to File. We're going to go to Open Data folder. From Open Data folder, we're going to click on the MQL5 folder. Go ahead and open that one up. Then we're going to go to Indicators. Go ahead and give that a double click. And you can see I've already drug and dropped my download into that indicator folder. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and exit out of that window. And then we're going to close our platform. Now, we're going to go ahead and reload our platform so we can get up and running and add the indicator to our charts. To do that, we're going to go to Insert, Indicators, Custom. Remember, this is a custom indicator we just downloaded from a third party. It's going to be down at the very bottom of your list. It's going to be right there, and you can see ICT Killzones. We're going to go ahead and allow this. Hit OK, and you'll notice that that's our Killzones, our London, our New York, our Asia. So it really is fairly straightforward. There's a few more steps there with MT5. TradingView, by far the easiest, but if you're trading MT5, that's great. Still, just find yourself a good Killzone indicator, get it onto your platform, and now you're ready to roll. The Killzone concept is a creation of Michael Huddleston, the Inner Circle trader, but it's not a new idea. Savvy traders understand that a market is most active around its open and its close. It's been this way since the days of open outcry in the trading pits. But knowing when to trade is 80% of the battle. That's very important. ICT Killzones can help you decide exactly when to trade. All right, that's all for now. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.